Hey everyone, so today we have a new Wybot M1 Pool cleaner. This is a corded version of the robot cleaner. As you can see, so here are some of the details that you can see. It has a smart navigation, some high precision sensors there. We can have some scheduling, different modes, and then we can do the software upgrade and then control based on the weather. Okay, so let's unbox this. So we did the unboxing here. So the things that you'll see is power supply, the user guide, the robot, and its cable cord. So that's what you see. What I'm now doing is, as a cleaner ready to go, I've put the rest of the cable in the water. I have my power supply here, for which I'll plug in. Come with a cap like this. So just open the cap, and then there's, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it can go in only one. One direction. Let me see if I can get it focused. Come on. Yes, you can do it. Yes, there you can see. So I'll just put that in. So one direction. Then push all the way in and then tighten it up. So once you're done, what you can do is I have power cable pulled in, so let's just power it on. So as you can see, the robot just turned on. Meanwhile, if you see, here's the buttons, and then at the back you have a button to open up the filter part. So here's the big filter, so just put it back in, and then close the lid, just push it in. So that's what you have. Underneath the cleaner, what you can see is it has this big roller which it uses to move around, and then these are the soft brushes which it will use to clean the pool. Sorry, I was out of focus. So this wheel it uses to move around on both the sides, and this is another wheel which it uses to clean the pool. So it has a couple of them at the back and front. Alright, so I'm going to lay it down. It has few sensors in the front, so it will use those sensors to navigate around. And then here's a motor which will do the suction. All set, so I have downloaded the app, and then I have installed and set it up. So I have yet to connect the pool cleaner. So since I am connected to power, so first thing what you have to do is take the handle. You lift always using the handle. Don't touch the power cable, otherwise you will snap it. Always lift using the handle, and then let it go down slowly. You always have to let it go down like this. What it does is, it will then slowly start taking in water. There will be air inside. So let the pool cleaner does everything by itself. Do not throw it or push it down, because if there is air pockets inside, it might not work properly. So let it go all the way down, so it's slowly sinking in, right? Let it go down. Now let's turn on the cleaner. Here you see the cleaner has started its job. Let me go to the other side. Yes. It has started to do its job. So it's currently on the floor, now going up and above. Then came on the bench, and then it is now doing the water line. So I'll give this cleaner a shot. Let's see how it behaves in the long run. I'll probably have some updates. If it does work or doesn't work, I'll have some updates and keep you all posted. But so far impressed. It looks heavy duty, a big bin. Yeah, it's able to go to the water line and then clean. It's doing random stuff for now. But let's see how it goes. So far, thanks for watching.